here today at the grand opening of Aramex's new facility at Brisbane Airport. It's always great to have the teams come together, particularly on this project which took so long to pull together. We started this way before COVID and the initial search from Aramex to the market around where their new home would be.
My name is Erica Newman, I'm the Country Manager for Aramex and I look after Aramex Australia. So Aramex is a global logistics company. We look after domestic and international freight. So not only do we look after the domestic and international freight, we have 3PL freight businesses and so we have a lot of logistics activities within our industry.
And when Aramex first went to market to look for a new facility in Brisbane, we were excited when we were selected as the ultimate site because we feel we have the best product in the business here at the airport.
Choosing this location was important to us because we had to find a central location. For us, it's also about growth, and the Brisbane Airport Corporation helps us look at those future products that we're going to offer, such as air freight, but also it helped being in that central location for the domestic and international freight as well.
Today was a celebration about the opening of the facility, but it's also a celebration of all the people that came together to make this happen. We gathered with not only our team at Brisbane Airport, the team that developed and constructed the facility that we're in, but also with our construction partners, our design partners, and all of the Aramex team, including the franchise drivers that were here on site for the official opening.
So the facility itself is 26,000 square metres. From a sustainability point of view, we have the solar panels. Aramex is investing into Australia. This is our flagship site.
It's great to have Aramex as one of the first in Baronia Road, developed and ready to operate here in the AIP Stage 1 at Brisbane Airport.